evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual Europa Property SCE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. Yeah, our next category, which is Professional Service Provider of the Year.
And here is the shortlist. On the shortlist we have ADD Value Management, AON Romania, Bog'Art, Brisk Group, Build Green, Real Soul Services, Newark Offices.
All right, so let's see who the winner of this award is. And in this very exciting category of Professional Service Provider, the winner is
Bog'Art.
Bog'Art, excellent. Congratulations, and let's see who we have from Bog'Art. Did we find anyone from Bog'Art? Oh gosh, no one from Bog'Art. So congratulations.
Congratulations,
Bog'Art.
Zeneckis.
Great, we've got the awards for you right here, and we'll make sure that you get them.